friends, and welcome back. Welcome if you are new. I am Olivia with Olivia's Romantic Home, and in today's video I am going to share with you how I get glamorous nails at home for only about $2. That's right. So I just pick up a couple of packets of Dollar Tree nails. For this video I am going to be using the Sassy Chic Fashion French tip nails, and I am going to share with you guys how I apply these and how I make them beautiful, and they usually stay on for about 4 to 5 days. So I'm an artisan and crafter by trade, and I cannot keep nice nails through the week. I've tried gel, I've tried acrylic at the salon, I've tried all different kinds of nails, and I really feel like it's a waste of money for me to spend tons and tons of money on my nails when usually they're just going to be trashed when I'm working. So for this, I just go ahead and put the Dollar Tree nails on over the weekend. I have nice glamorous nails over the weekend when I go out with my husband, or go spend time doing something fun. I can feel all glamorous, and then once the week starts and they start getting messed up, I just go ahead and take them off. So let's go ahead and get started, and I'll show you guys how I do these cute Dollar Tree nails. So the first thing that you want to do to get these glam Dollar Tree nails are to take a very gentle buffer and just buff the tops of your nails. That'll kind of give the Dollar Tree nails a bit of a surface to adhere to. You don't have to do it very hard, just enough to kind of smooth your nails out. And the other things you're going to need for this project are some clear nail polish. I bought 2 packets of Dollar Tree nails, and also some nail clippers, and then just a little cuticle push backer thing. So you can get most of this in a pack at the Dollar Tree. And then you'll want to also trim your nails down. I trim my nails down pretty short for this pack of Dollar Tree nails, because the French tips are a fairly short nail and you don't want the nail poking through the top of your fake nails.
I've been praying through the evening, I've been praying through the night, asking every higher power for a meaning, for a sign.
So the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and get out all of your nails, and I like to go ahead and match them up with the nail that it's going to go on. So I like to use 2 packs. That way if I'm short a nail, or if one breaks, or if I need the same size for several fingers, then I'll have plenty of nails to choose from. It's better to have a couple too many than not enough. So I just want to go through starting with my thumb and just match up each nail. And you guys will probably notice in this video that I do have a band-aid on my finger. I am a crafter by trade, like I said, and I get really bad hot glue guns, and this week was no exception, guys. I burnt my finger so bad, and I didn't want you to see the yucky burn, so I just went ahead and covered my finger. I do have a lot of you guys asking for me to do a Dollar Tree nail video, so I went ahead and went for it, and I hope you don't mind this band-aid.
I'm waiting for a sign to let the hour come. Oh, 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 oh.
So after I get all of the nails matched up, I go ahead and dab probably just a drop or so of super glue on the top part of my nail, and then with the top of the super glue I just kind of swish it around a bit, and then I take the nail, I press it down, and I hold it down pretty tightly, and I usually count to 10. So I hold the nail down about 10 seconds. And if you get like a little bit of glue that kind of comes out, you can take just like an emery board and just kind of touch up around the cuticle. You can also take nail polish remover and remove any excess glue as well.
To let the hour come. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, 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 oh. I've been breaking through the morning, I've been breaking through the day. what you need from me. Go when you go home. Take what you need to feel at home.
Sometimes on the Dollar Tree nails too, there will be a little kind of tip on the end that's a little bit of a rough tip. I just use my nail buffer and just kind of gently buff the tip. I don't use a regular nail file though for these nails because they're not super sturdy, and it seems like a regular nail file just is a bit too abrasive. So I'll just use a buffer if there's anything on the ends to buff out.
You free at last. Take what you need. Take what you need to heal. Go when you go. Take.
So the final step on the Dollar Tree nail project is I like to go ahead and add a clear coat to the top of my nails. That way it makes them appear a little bit more realistic, and also it will keep your tips nicer for longer. Comment and let me know, do you all like to use Dollar Tree nails or fake nails at home? I just kind of got hooked on this process after watching another YouTuber do it, and I used to go to the salon all the time and spend quite a bit of money on my nails, and then they would just always end up getting messed up with my crafting projects. So this way I'll do my nails on Friday. They'll be glam for the weekend, and then by Monday or Tuesday they're still pretty nice, but through the week as I go on crafting, if they start to get really messed up, I'll either fix them or I'll go ahead and take them off and then get them ready for the whole process again. That gives me really nice nails through the weekend, and through the week it's not a big deal if I've spent $2 on a manicure and they end up getting messed up with my hot glue gun or working with my silk flowers. So after I get done putting the clear coat on, I'll let that dry, and then I'll just go ahead and put on my favorite winter candy apple lotion. I love the way it smells, plus it's pink. You know I love pink, and that way my hands are nice and soft and ready to roll. So what do you guys think? I think they came out really pretty. For $2, you can't beat it. I really hope you guys enjoyed this process. I hope it inspires you to give Dollar Tree nails a try. Worst case scenario, you've spent a couple dollars and you'll just be done with the nails, or you'll love them.
You need to heal, to grow. Take what you need. Take what you need from me.
Joining me me in this video. I hope you're inspired to get glamorous over the weekend, or just maybe for a special event, or if you guys just want to have beautiful nails. I am so blessed and thankful to have y'all here. It means so much to me. I read every single comment, and all of your kind words just are really, really special. So if you guys are new, I would love to have you subscribe to my YouTube channel and be a part of my family, and go ahead and click the bell for updates, and we will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.